In our previous demo, we understood the concept of network of fact. So the diagram which we have in front of us, we have a person, car, and a house, and each one is the node itself. So if I talk about in more technical term, then each one is a property, and each property is decorated with a label. But you notice here that we are missing a very important information here. For example, what is the name of the person, what is the model and make of the car, where is the location of the house is. So we can define all that information with help of the properties. So each property is basically a key value pair on a node and a relationship. So for example, I define the name of the person and the model of the car, location and the coordinates of the house. So we can extend these properties as much as we can on the basis of what the information we have. So in our next video, we will implement a knowledge graph on the basis of what understanding we developed so far.